Welcome everybody back to Turn 4 Automotive Performance. Today we've got the coilovers back out of our Nissan Skyline that you saw us install a couple weeks ago. We're going to change the springs on them. I wasn't happy with how stiff the springs were that came on these coilovers. The roads here in New England are just rather rough, so I went with some softer springs. Called my boys up at ISC Suspension, ordered some high tensile triple S springs. So you see these springs that we have here are not mild steel, they're high tensile steel. They're made to fit the coilovers. They do have a little bit wider spacing in between the coil bindings, and they are a lot lighter. These springs are lighter rate and lighter weight themselves. So the front ones we're going to go with, we're going to step down from a 12K spring down to an 8K. In the rear we're going to go from an 8K spring down to a 6K. I've already disassembled one of each, so we'll go ahead and disassemble the other ones. When you're doing your springs, make sure that the preload is where you want it. You want your springs to have a little bit of preload on them, at least 5 millimeters. So if you do unload the suspension of these things, the springs aren't bobbling around and causing noise and rattling and all this stuff. So if you need triple S springs, give us a call here at Turn 4 Automotive or ISC Suspension. They're based right out of New Hampshire. They are the exclusive distributor of these triple S high tensile springs. Very good quality, very nice packaging. They had them out to me within a week, and it works really well. So we're gonna go ahead, disassemble one of these so you can see how quickly and easily it is to change the spring out on your coilovers. So if you bought a set of coilovers and they're either way too soft for you or way too stiff, and the damping adjustment in the top of them that we showed you how to do doesn't work, then you can go ahead and change the springs on them. Spring change is really simple. Follow us along.